viewers, this is Ali from Prayaj Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some kalamkari prints, hand painting and some block prints on Gachi by Gachi Tussar and Zari border tussar. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So whenever we upload the videos, you will get the notification. If you like the videos, please don't forget to share also. And we have a Facebook page in the same name, Prayaj Fashions. So you can follow our page and have our live videos over there. And the booking procedure is very simple. You just have to take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number. It is given on the screen. It's 8296897264. Shipping is free all over India, and COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states, you have to do a bank transfer, Google Pay or Phone Pay. So the same day or the very next day we dispatch the sari. So thank you so much. Let's display the sari. So let's start. This is the sari number 1. It's a pink base color and all over jal buta with traditional hand block discharge print. This is a pink base color and all over the same print. The pallu border. This is the pallu of the sari and all over body same. This is the all over look of the sari, and just see the border. It's a very pretty, very intricate. It's actually a Ajrak hand block discharge print. The combination of pink and yellow and green. So this is all three combination. So this is all over look of the sari, and there is a blouse. Sari number 2, the same design with different combination, and it's a deep purple color. So these are all Gachi tussar. First we have to dye the sari, then we do the block print. So on table dye this color never comes. So first we dye the sari, then we print. So this is the one technique, and that's why the color is so nice. It's coming out. Just see the border and block as usual, very ethnic look. So we have given a combination of a yellow, green and off-white. It's all discharge print. So this is the all over look of the sari, and the material is so good which I can't explain. This is Gachi by Gachi tussar. This is all over look of the sari, and here is the blouse. Sari number 3, it's a polka dot design all over the body. It has got the zari border and pallu. It's not a zari, it's a tissue pallu. As you can see the transparency. So it's a tissue pallu. All over body polka dot. It is also a discharge print, and it's not a rani color. I'll say it's a deep pink color. Very sweet, very elegant, and polka dot is always in fashion. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just see the texture of the material. It's all silk mark certified, and we deal in only pure and silk, and we have got our own manufacturing. These are all our own design. So if you like the design and want to change the color combination, so that can be done on order. So this is a blouse. Sari number 4. So it's a hibiscus design. As you can see, it's a flower. So it's a deep purple base color. Just see the design. It's amazing. This design is very in. So this is a pallu. As you can see, the multiple stripe, zari stripe on the pallu, and all over body that hibiscus motif will come throughout the sari. Just see the pallu. And people who understand Gachi tussar so they can understand what is Gachi Tussar. And so just see the fall. So this is all over look of the sari, and there is a blouse with stripe lines is there for sleeves. Sari number 5, again a Gachi Tussar with pink color base with rose and leaf design, and all are very nice color. I say these are all dyed tussar, then we have done a painting or print, so that's why the color has come out so nice. So see the pallu, and all over, it's not all over, it's a rising pallu. So this is the rising pallu, and the designs are so nice. So it's a corner to corner design. It's a combination of yellow rani and leaves are green. So this is the all over look. So as I always mention, if you like the designs and want to change the color combination, that can be done on order. So this is the blouse of the sari. Sari number 6, it's a zari bordered tussar with kalamkari print. The base color is golden yellow and the border is black, and just see the combination, it's sea green, magenta, rani all over the body. Same print will come. So just see the pallu, and the border is black, and this is the all over look. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever you upload the video, you will get the notification. And please don't forget to share the video also. So it's a request to our viewers, please share the video so we can reach out as more people. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the blouse. Now sari number 7, it's the same design, same combination, only the base color is white. Previous one had a mustard yellow, this has a white background. Everything is same. So I'll just show how it will look. And please don't forget to follow our Facebook page also. We have a Facebook page, we do live, so you can see the live video over there. So this is the all over look of the sari, and just see the palla. So these are all over design. So I'll just drape how it will look. Such a nice color combination. It's a kalamkari print, not hand paint, and these are all unusual color combination. Now sari number 8, it's a wine maroon color. It's as I told that we have dyed the sari first, then we have done a print or hand painting, so that's why that color has come out so nice. So this is the all over look of the sari. So from far, as you can see, we can see that this is a like embroidery, but actually it's a discharge print. This design is very in, and I have done this design in so many colors. So this time with discharge, and this amazing, very pretty sari. So this is the all over look. Amazing sari. I love this sari so much. The color and design. So this is the all over look, and there is a blouse. Very pretty sari. Now the same design in different combination. It's a peach color, and all over same. It's a Chinese floral. So we take customized order also if you like the designs. So we will do in different colors also, just you have to select the design. So this is the all over look of the sari. So COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For outside other state, you have to do bank online transfer. The very next day we dispatch the sari, or the next day. So this is the all over look of the sari. and this is the blouse. Sari number 10, it's again one of our hit designs, skirt part design. It's a hand painted, and this time we have brought in Rani and sea green combination, very unusual combination. So just see the striking Rani color, Rani pink, and it's a skirt part design. So this is the all over look. Just see the color combination, amazing color combination. I'll just show how it will look. So please don't forget to subscribe, and so this is the all over look of the sari. Very nice color combination, and there is a blouse. Now sari number 11, same design, different combination, peach and blue. Just see the color combination. So this is all skirt part design. I'll just show. See the color, that is not navy blue or indigo, it's a kind of a midnight blue. So this is the skirt part design. And please don't forget to follow our page on Facebook also in the same name. It's a Praj Fashions, and you will get the updates. Please ping the WhatsApp number is given there. It's 8296897264. So this is the all over look of the sari. And there is a blouse, a peach color. Now this is the last sari of this episode. It's a peach color with the hand block print. Just see the design, it's a new design. So these saris are all dyed first, then we have done a print. So that's why the color has come out so nice. So this is the all over look of the sari. And this is the pallu and blouse plain, all over body, full work, full printed. So COD facilities available only in Kolkata, and we accept Google Pay, Phone Pay, bank online transfer. So this is all over look of the sari, and here is the blouse.